Shut up and sit down.
Greetings, fellow Earth travelers. Oblix here, and today I want to take just a second to do an update on our Puredial Powersphere. How y'all doing today? Quick wrist check, let's get it out of the way. I am wearing our Watch Gang Black Tier subscription for February 2019. This is the Spinnaker Croft. Loving it so far, guys. Great piece. So, the Puredial Powersphere. This was a Watch Gang Black Tier subscription for, I don't even remember the month. It's been a while back. I'll put a note in the video. So I will put the review and the unboxing video links in the down yonder if y'all want to check those out, because we have done a full review of this. And this is just a quick update. Was wearing this guy the other day, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, instagram.com/just a second with the O in second being a 0 instead of an O, you'll see the watches I'm wearing every day, and you will see that I wore this watch, and I actually posted a picture of the problem. So I was cruising around, heading home actually, and this tiny little screw right here was really loose in this slot right here, pretty much wobbling around. And I noticed it while I was driving. Obviously I wasn't going to do anything while I was driving. Just noticed that it was, really loose and wobbly. Got to my location, and by that point this was gone. Couldn't find it anymore. So all that was left was a big old hole on the side of the watch. So I did what you do. I contacted Puredial, said, "Hey, Puredial, your watch is broke, man. Relatively new, and it's falling apart over here. What's up?" The only way to contact them is through their web form, which I absolutely abhor. Get an email address, get a phone number, something like that. Why are you making us go to a web? It's like super secret, stealthy. We can't be bothered. Is the impression customers get when they have to go to a freaking website to fill out a form. It's like you're hiding. Anyway, they're not the only ones that do it. Lots of folks do it, and it's annoying all over the place. Anyway, filled out the form. It took them 4 days to get back to me. They finally got back to me and said, "Hey, it's not our problem. Go suck an egg." Basically, they use different words. No, they said, "Hey, this is your issue, not our issue. Feel free to buy another one of these stupid little screws from us for $10 flippin' $10 for a little nothing screw that should never have fallen out in the first daggone place." That's just ridiculous. If you guys are building watches so crappy that you have to put a web page of parts to repair the watch, which they have, puredial.com/parts. I'll put a picture over there somewhere. I checked Seiko's page. I think they sell a few watches, right? Yeah, they don't have a parts page. Check Citizen. They sell a few watches too. Also, no parts page. Okay, maybe it's just a micro brand thing, a boutique watch seller type of thing. So I checked Sal Baltimore. Alan Sal over there does a great job. No parts page. And the closest you'll find is they'll sell some additional straps. Checked Spinnaker. None there either. Only one I found that does it is Puredial. You went through a laundry list of other watch sellers going, is anyone else out there doing this nonsense? Or is it, maybe it's not nonsense. Maybe it's just me. So I checked a bunch of different sites, and nobody's doing it but these jokers. $10 for a freaking screw that should have never come out in the first place. If you know it's prone to come out, and you do know it's prone to come out, Puredial, don't lie and say you didn't, because you put it on your freaking website as a part. So you know it's prone to fall out. Do the right thing by your customers. Put your little Loctite or something on there so it doesn't fall out. Or how about design a watch that doesn't fall apart on people when they're wearing it casually? This is a joke, guys. This is bad form. I cannot recommend you buy a Puredial. I've owned two. I've owned the Powersphere and I've owned the Square Legacy. The Square Legacy I gave to one of my son's friends. The watch was fine, didn't have any problems with it. He just liked it, so I gave it to him. This guy, even though it's very uncomfortable to wear because of this flat slab side, which I have mentioned in multiple occasions, I can only wear it for about an hour at a time, then I have to take it off and give my wrist a break because it's just solid flat. It's very, very uncomfortable riding on the bones over here. Even though it is, I still like to wear it occasionally, and it's just falling apart on me after wearing it a few times, and that's just ridiculous. So just a quick little video, little update here, guys. Don't waste your time, effort, or money with Puredial. Just my recommendation. If you love them, you support them, hey, more power to you. Throw all your money at them, I don't care. I'm out there trying to help folks that haven't yet spent their money and are on the fence. I cannot recommend it even if you like the styling. The quality is just not there. Expect your watch to fall apart, expect your screws to come out, and expect to pay $10 per screw to get a new one, which is just stupid. So that's it for today. Sure to appreciate you guys coming to hang out with me as always, and until next time, you guys get out there and make some noise. See ya.